If you are looking for a middle budget yet elegantly designed contemporary house for yourself, I have a great option for you in today's video. The house has many attractive features. It is situated in a convenient location and has a spacious frontage that can accommodate up to 2 cars for parking. The house also boasts wide and beautiful rooms, along with an open kitchen. Both the exterior and interior have been designed in a contemporary style, ensuring a modern and sophisticated appeal. It has been constructed with a careful consideration of Vastu principles. The house is designed to have a north-facing direction. Its elevation showcases a combination of gable roof and a flat roof. This design choice provides the house with a sophisticated and elegant look. This 3 BHK house has been constructed with a 1000 square feet area on a 4 cent square plot. It's near to Andhurkonam. Asking price of this house is 45 lakhs. It is also negotiable. Additionally, loan facilities are also available for potential buyers. The house features a 16-foot wide sliding gate for convenient entry and exit. As mentioned earlier, the spacious frontage can accommodate up to 2 cars for parking. The driveway and courtyard are paved with the interlocking tiles, providing a neat and visually appealing look to the exterior. A gardening area is provided in the frontage. The compound wall can also adorn with outdoor plants, enhancing the beauty of the space. A sit-out is provided, ensuring a spacious and well-designed area. The flooring is done using high-quality Kajaria tiles. Wooden work is done using both jackwood and angeli wood. For the front door, we have chosen jackwood. We can enter the hall as you see. It is a spacious and elegant hall. The hall has been constructed beautifully and it is truly enchanting. The hall is designed in a straight layout. A TV unit is provided in the hall, specifically designed to accommodate a 60-inch television. You can conveniently mount your television on the unit. Main wall features a wooden stripe pattern, adding a modern and stylish look into the space. Additionally, the inclusion of royal play adds an elegant touch to the overall design of the hall. Ceiling of this hall is adorned with LED strips, providing a decorative element to the space. Living area measures 26 into 14 feet in size. Living area can be divided into dining area as well. A wash basin is provided in the section designated for the dining area. The wash basin is designed as a cabinet wash basin, adding a modern touch to this overall layout. The separate spacing ensures convenience and functionality for the dining area. The house features an open design, which is modern and contemporary in style. The open kitchen is designed with the flat colors, adding a sleek and minimalistic look to the space. Kitchen area measures 11 by 11 feet. Multiple cupboards are provided. They are constructed using marine ply kitchen woods. A countertop in L-shaped design is provided in the kitchen. The flooring is done using anti-skid tiles. The tiles used for kitchen flooring are chosen to complement the color combination of the kitchen, creating a harmonious look. Also are specifically designed to provide a non-slip surface. As I mentioned earlier, the house consists of 3 bedrooms. One bedroom is located on the left side of the hall, while the others are on the right. Master bedroom is 12 feet by 12 feet. The other 2 bedrooms are 11 feet by 12 feet and 12 feet by 11 feet. All the bedrooms are bathroom attached. Exhaust fans are also provided in all of them. The color combination of the bathrooms are chosen based on the overall color schemes of the flat. The bathroom fittings are used from brand Cosa. In the beginning, as I mentioned, the asking price of this house is 45 lakhs. It is also negotiable. If you are interested in knowing about similar properties or obtaining more information about this particular house, please reach us. Contact information is provided in the description box. Please consider subscribe to ArchLine Studios channel to stay updated with your contents. Don't forget to enable the notification by clicking on the bell icon for timely updates.